I decided to be an online company. I wanted something we could sell online, something they could design online, something that would have automated systems all the way through the company so that people could order, the back end kicks in, so right down to shipping, that the labels would be created and the boxes would go out, and all of it would be done by the computer with as little human intervention as possible so that we would be able to compete in the marketplace. And so that's what we did. And we started out digital because it was affordable to get into for us, okay? And obviously as you get into the offset and the much larger, and you're able to handle larger quantities and more of your customers' needs in a fast way because you have the equipment and the resources to do so, we were able to move up into something like this. I mean, I think we're the only people in the country with a HUV press that's running plastic parts right now. It did exactly what they told me it would do when I was starting out my talks. I left their demo center feeling pretty good that this was actually going to print the plastic the way we wanted it to. And so we went through the whole process of buying the machine. It's a big process, the space, you got to move it, all that stuff that goes along. Put it in, and it did exactly what they told me it was going to do. It printed plastic, and it prints plastic fast, and it's a very productive machine. If you're going to get in the marketplace, you need to get in the marketplace with the right tools, okay? So you absolutely have to have the right tools. Without that, I start out with a handicap, and so we looked into other presses, but we made the choice with Komori and the HUV. First off, because I think it's a great new technology. We can use the press both UV and conventional if we ever decided to do that. When I looked at some of the other presses, it was so hot between the interdects from the lamps and everything that I was a little bit like, I don't think we want to do that, you know, because that has to have some effect on the printing and the print quality. So this machine burns less electricity. It produces a better print quality on my plastic, okay? I don't have the heat and that to distort any of my plastic products, okay? They're coming out looking great. As far as the adhesion that we were concerned about, it's not an issue. It's worked out, and I'm sitting on top of it right now, and it's running, and it's cool. You know, I'm not going like this right now. Yeah, I mean, the service and support for Komori is unbelievable. You know, I've had no problem so far, and anything that has come up, they've addressed for me in short order, and have been very gracious to us, and so we appreciate that. And so if I buy again, I would imagine we're going to be Komori people for a while. We at the Plastic Card Factory are thrilled about what you all have done for us. Thank you so much. Thank you.